Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku Bustle on February 18, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column F, we have 9 and 8. 9 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, only 3 numbers are remaining. 175. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. The 7th grade, only 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 8, 9. 10th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8, 9 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the cells. Then only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column J we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. So 2nd row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 4th row we have 9. Column C also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B, column C we have 9. 6th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. In column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 9. 9th row we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can come in this cell. We can confirm 8 also here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 8. 2nd row and 4th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column C we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 2nd row we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third grade, only 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 6. Second row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. And second row only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6. Column C we have 3 and 6. 3 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come any one of the cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column D we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Ninth row and 10th row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells. Column B also we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Column D 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 10th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column C 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then fourth grade only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Fifth row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 7. 10th row we have 2 and 8. 2 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the cells. 9th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Fifth row and 7th row we have pair numbers, 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the cells. Column I we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column H, column J we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells. 7th row also we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Column H 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 2. 8th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 5th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 5th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Ninth row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column I we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Eighth row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Eighth row only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column J we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 10th row only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column J 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 5th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining, one is confirmed here. Fifth row, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.